Hey everyone, today I'll show you can you really learn Japanese with Duolingo. First, open Google Chrome and search for Duolingo. Now click on the official link. Once you're on the website, click on the Japanese language course. Then, click on Continue to proceed. Next, select how you heard about Duolingo. Options include Google Search, TV, YouTube, friends or family, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. After that, click on Continue. Then, choose your reason for learning Japanese like preparing for travel, supporting your education, or something else. Click Continue again. Now, select how much Japanese you already knew. You'll then see what you can achieve with Duolingo, such as conversing with confidence, building a large vocabulary, or developing a learning habit. Then click on Continue. After that, choose your daily learning goal. Then click on Continue again. Now, pick whether you want to start from the scratch or let Duolingo find your level. Click on Continue once more. Once everything is set up, Duolingo will start with basic lessons. For example, asking you to identify common words like which one of these is sushi. This interactive method helps reinforce vocabulary and sentence structure. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.